Sharpening your critical thinking skills is fundamental to your success at university. As you delve deeper into your studies and tackle more complex problems, you'll learn to carefully assess different viewpoints, interrogate assumptions, and build strong arguments with solid evidence. Critical thinking starts with approaching new and challenging problems with an open mind. It will help you reach well-reasoned conclusions and avoid common pitfalls when assessing new information. For example, imagine you find an academic study claiming that regular exercise is good for your heart health. Before accepting the study's claims, you carefully examine its methodology, check if any factors might have affected the results, and search for other reliable studies supporting the findings. You consider bias, how many people were sampled in the study, if there was a comparison group, and how the data was analysed. By questioning, examining, and evaluating all the evidence, you have a well-thought-out position on whether exercise helps your heart. Simply accepting the findings of the first study you read could lead to inaccurate or misleading conclusions. Honing your critical thinking skills is not only important for university, but will set you up for the workplace as well. While critical thinking is essential in all fields of study and even daily life, its application and focus varies based on the needs of each discipline. For example, maths students dissect problems, scrutinise underlying assumptions, identify patterns, and evaluate the validity of their solutions to establish proofs. Meanwhile, in law, students analyse and apply statutes, legal principles, and case precedents, develop legal arguments, and anticipate counter-arguments. Both disciplines use critical thinking for evaluating logical reasoning, interpreting core principles, and solving complex problems. Good luck, and remember, your critical thinking skills will support you to navigate the academic world and beyond.